friends, welcome to Fabulous Chef. In today's video, let's see how to make a very delicious prawn fried rice. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. So let's get started. Today I've taken about 1 cup of rice. I've taken the basmati rice. Now let's boil it with sufficient salt and drain it and keep it aside. I've taken half kg of prawns, which is deveined, 10 garlic cloves, which is finely chopped, 2 onions, which is finely chopped, 2 carrots, which is finely chopped. We need about 5 eggs, some soya sauce. Now let's drain the rice and keep it aside to cool. Now take a non-stick pan. When the pan is nice and hot, let's add about 2 tablespoons of butter. If you're weight conscious, you can also use oil instead of butter. Now wait till the butter melts. Now you can see that our butter is well melted. At this stage, let's add the garlic cloves, which we have chopped finely, about 10 numbers, and stir fry it. Now let's add about 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. This is optional. If you want the fried rice less spicy, you can avoid it. Now let's add the chopped onions. Let's stir fry it for another 2 minutes. Now let's add the prawns. Next, let's add the chopped carrots. Now let's add about 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. Mix everything thoroughly. At this stage, let's add the eggs. Today I've taken about 5 eggs. Let's add it to the prawns and mix it well so that it's well scrambled. At this stage, let's add some more pepper powder. You can add the pepper powder according to your taste. Now you can see that the eggs are well scrambled and the prawns is also cooked well. At this stage, let's add the cooked rice. Today I've taken the basmati rice. Now let's add about 1 teaspoon of soya sauce and also add about 1 teaspoon of sugar. Now check the seasoning and finally garnish the fried rice with some freshly chopped spring onions. Mix everything thoroughly and serve it hot. So that's it, friends. Our delicious prawn fried rice is absolutely ready. Do try this delicious recipe. Like, subscribe to my channel and leave your comments below. All our videos are available in English and Tamil. You can choose whichever one is comfortable for you. See you all soon with another interesting recipe.